Welcome back to another video, and today we'll be opening up another Pro Pack for ya. Have 11,000 coins. Just check today. And since I get 20 subscribers, I will be saving up my monies, be buying up probably another pack. Alright, so let's go to the marketplace, store, and let's open up some Pro Packs. 5 items. We get update team, and it is Adam Jones, punt returner. So it's going to be getting rid of Brandon Tate. Okay. Brock Osweiler, I don't know how to pronounce it. And okay, so let's update that. Well, alright, so I think he's pretty good. For my lead player, that's so weird. Brandon Tate is still there. Oh, it's punt return. I got rid of Wes Welker. So guess what? I'm gonna be selling Wes Welker for about 2K or 11K. I will be opening up two Pro Packs next video if someone buys this. Okay? And I'll just sell these guys for coins. Alright. Let's look for Wes Welker. Piece of silver. So yeah, mine is probably the cheapest. No, this one's cheaper. He's like one of the goodest punt returners. What? Game changer. So it's probably gonna help my whole entire team. Here he is. If someone will want to buy it, and if you want some more pack openings, you should buy it. So I can open up some packs for y'all. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya.